I was wondering if you've ever looked at a real estate transaction and tried to apply the same filters, meaning competitive advantages, returns on capital, that you do in operating companies. And if not, is it a circle of competence issue, or is there something you find disinteresting about real estate?
You want to take it? Okay, Charlie wants to take this one.
Let me take this one because here's a area where we have a perfect record that extends over many decades. We have been demonstrably foolish in almost every operation that had to do with real estate we've ever touched. Every time we had a surplus plant and didn't want to hit the bid and let some developer kind of take an unfair advantage of us, we would have been better off later if we'd hit the bid and invested the money in fields where we had the expertise. That housing track that I developed because I didn't want to let the zoning authorities rob me the way they wanted to. I wish I had let them. We have a certified record of failure in this field.
And the funny thing is we understand real estate.
And we're good at it. Right.
That actually is a correct aside. We do understand real estate. And Charlie got to start in real estate.
Yeah, but we understand other things better. And so the chances that we're going to be big in real estate are low.
You know, we've seen lots of things, and the prices just don't intrigue us in terms of what we get for our money. I tried to buy a town when I was 21 years old. The U.S. government had a town in Ohio for sale, and would have worked out very well. There's nothing about the arena that turns us off, but we don't see great returns available, and like Charlie says, the few things, particularly having an old plant or something, we have not been great at working our way out of those. Fortunately, they haven't been very important in relation to the net worth of Berkshire.